Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at what is undoubtedly the best creeper mechanic rolling seat tool on the market. The Torin TR6300 Red Rolling Creeper Garage Shop Seat. This seat is built for those who spend hours in their garage or workshop and demand comfort, mobility, and organization. Right out of the box, the Torin TR6300 impresses with its vibrant red design and sturdy construction. It's made by Big Red, a brand well known for high-quality automotive tools. What you'll immediately notice is the large padded seat. It's not just visually appealing but genuinely comfortable to sit on for extended periods. This isn't your average workshop stool. This is designed for real mechanics and serious DIYers who need support without sacrificing mobility. Now let's talk dimensions. The seat measures approximately 14.3 inches in depth, width, and height, and weighs just 9 pounds. But don't let the lightweight fool you. This unit is built from heavy-duty tubular steel that gives it a maximum load capacity of 250 pounds. That means it's stable, reliable, and can easily support most users without any creaking or bending under pressure. Moving on to functionality, one of the standout features of the Torin TR6300 is its large segmented tool tray located just beneath the seat. This tray is perfect for storing essential tools and parts you need during your project. Whether you're working on brake jobs, oil changes, or suspension work, having your tools within arm's reach saves time and effort. No more constant standing up or fumbling around for that elusive socket. And speaking of mobility, this creeper seat is equipped with 4 360-degree swivel casters. The wheels are smooth and responsive, allowing you to glide effortlessly across your garage floor, even on concrete. Whether you're rolling from one side of the car to the other or navigating around the workbench, the maneuverability of this seat is top tier. One of the underrated but truly appreciated aspects of the TR6300 is how low it keeps you to the ground. This low profile makes it ideal for detail work, wheel installations, or general inspections. Tasks that don't require a full mechanic creeper but still benefit from being closer to your workspace. It strikes that perfect middle ground between a full creeper and a standing stool. Now let's talk durability. The steel frame isn't just solid, it's also coated to resist corrosion and wear over time. The foam padding is dense enough to offer long-term comfort but not so soft that it breaks down quickly. It's clear that this product was built with longevity in mind. And to top it all off, it comes with a limited 1-year manufacturer warranty, providing a bit of extra peace of mind. Price-wise, this model normally retails around $40, but you can often find it discounted. At its current price point, it's an excellent value given the build quality, comfort, and functionality it offers. While there are cheaper alternatives out there, few can match the balance that the Torin TR6300 brings to the table. To wrap up, if you're in the market for a rolling creeper seat that's comfortable, durable, and functional with easy tool access and excellent mobility, the Torin TR6300 is hard to beat. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a weekend warrior, this seat will make your projects smoother, faster, and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more hands-on product breakdowns. See you in the next one.